I'm sorry. It's okay. It's okay. How you doing? Are you gonna let me go by? Are you gonna let me go by? You're scaring me. Okay. You didn't tell me you had a friggin' attack cat. Had a little bathroom emergency and followed your instructions to come in through the porch, and now your cat's hissing at me and took a swing at me on my way in. Afraid to step out of the bathroom. All right. Are you gonna let me go by? Jesus. Shit. Damn. This thing's gonna come after me, man. Shit. All right. Can I come by now? Damn. Okay. Jesus. Can I go by? What the fuck?